Hello guys, for today's video, let's start to unbox and I will teach you how to use the wireless lavalier microphone. This is the box of the microphone. It is type C. It can be used also for iPhone. There are two kinds. There are one to one and there are 1 to 2. It is plug and play microphone. It can use 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, widely compatible. Now, first, if you want to use it, you have to remove it from the box. And in this box, it consists of wire in order for you to charge the microphone itself and the receiver. The receiver or in order for you to charge the microphone. It has user manual for you to understand how to use this wireless microphone. Some information to use. This wireless lavalier microphone is useful for live show or interview or vlog short video. Same what I'm doing right now. So it has adapter. This one you have to insert in your mobile. Actually this one is very easy to use, plug and play only. After you insert this one, it will show the green color on this adapter. At the same time, this microphone